Okay, this is how it looks inside that. I'm calling a gearbox. With the pulley system ran on a belt. So, you know, uh, you can get a motor, the electric motor, and put in the place of this motor right in the mid. That's what I mean by mid motor, right there. Let me back up so you can see what I'm talking about. So put it right there where that motor at, and it'll connect down here. You can see that down here. Just take that motor off of this thingy, even though it looked like it's connected to it, but I'll figure all that out. And connect it to this belt drive or some other kind of way. I'm not sure. You know, the other alternative is take all that off. They got the tire with the motor inside the hub. Be a lot easier, more room to put batteries right there, all of that. But it's going to cost me $200 more just for that. So we'll see. It might be able to get it, for a cheapy cheap. But we'll see. Let's keep going. Trying to get some good light going here so I can take some pictures.